Hello class 6, good morning. In our last computer class, we have learned how to delete a rows and how to delete a columns from a table, created table. We are in chapter 3 now, word processor, tabular representation, learning how to do different things in a created table. So we have learned how to delete a row, how to delete a column, how to change the row height. In today's class, we are going to learn changing the column width in a created table. Table must be created. So we can change the column width to make the information appear in a better way by the following steps. What are the steps? First step, select a cell or cells of the desired table. Now how to select a cell? You click in any cell or just drag the mouse or double click. Then click the layout button from the table tool options. It will display the default table column within the cell size area. And so you know how to do. Third of steps, click this button. This button means down arrow to change the width of the column to a specific measurement of the selected cells. And the column which will be set as per our needs. So we have only 3 steps. Once again, first step, select the cell or cells. Click the layout button in the table tools option. It will display the default table column within the cell size area and click the down arrow button to change the width. Now open the file which has got a table. So table is open. This class result created last week. So you just select any cell. Suppose this one, select fifth one, Deepak Sinha. Just drag it. It is selected. Now click on the which button? Layout button. Click on the layout button. Here is the layout button. Click on the layout button. Layout button is clicked. Now see, this first option is here to increase or decrease the row height, and second option is to increase or decrease the column width. So just see here, now the column width is 4.47 centimeter. To increase or decrease, you can click on these arrows. So just I'm clicking. Now see, the column is decreasing. Can you see? The column is decreasing. Now click on the up arrow, the column is increasing. Now it is 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, 4.4, 4.5, 4.7. So like this, see, you can go on increasing. So this way we can increase the rows columns or rows columns of one column or more than one column. Now suppose you want to change the height. See, this is a height one. Click on the up or down arrow and the height will be changed. You see, height will be changed. As you click, it will be changed. So this is a way we click on the change the row, change the column width. All right. So once again, what are the steps? Select a cell or cells of the desired table. Click the layout button in table tool option. Click on the cell size option will come. Click on the down arrow button. Once again, see, open the table. Table is open. Select any cell. Column width has come. Click on the column width, increase or decrease, and it is increasing or decreasing. All right. So this way we can change the column width. Now we have some shortcut options to change the row height. To change the height of a row, set the pointer on the row boundary which is to be moved until it becomes a two-headed row and then drag the boundary. You see, open the same table. Table is open. Now it is saying to bring the mouse pointer on the border line. When you bring the mouse pointer on the border line, it turns into two-headed row. See here, fourth one. It is turning into two-headed row. Now press the mouse button and drag it down. See, the row height is increased or decreased. So it is increased. Now going up, it is decreasing. Again, what are the shortcut tips? Shortcut tips are you wherever you want to increase or decrease the row height, you bring the mouse pointer on the boundary line, on the border line, and as you bring on the border line, it turns into two-headed row. When it turns into two-headed row, you drag it up or drag it now down, and it will change. All right. Second, the same way you can do for the column also. To change the column width, to change the width of a column, place the mouse pointer on the column boundary which is to be moved. until it becomes a two-headed arrow and drag the boundary. Same way, this time instead of row boundary, we have to click on the column boundary, and it turns into two-headed row, and then you drag in or out, and this column size will be changed. Just I'll show you. Suppose you want to increase this column. Now don't bring on the boundary line, bring on this column division line. So see, brought here, the arrow has come, two-headed arrow. Now drag it. Now see, column width is changed. Want to decrease, again bring it here and come here. Now it is decreased. So very simple. Now this is rank 1, 2, 3, 4. Too much space is there. You want to decrease then bring the mouse pointer on the column line and drag it. Now see, the column size is decreased. Name is increased. Alright. So this way we can increase or decrease the column width by using the shortcut way. Now next is applying adding borders to a table. Like we have in the cell, we have got border. So adding borders to a cell or a table is a part of changing their appearance to enhance their looks. To add border to a cell or cells in a table, perform the following steps. What is that? Select the cell or cells of the desired table where a border is to be added. Click the design button from the table tool option, followed by the border button. Click on the drop down arrow button to select the desired border. Anyone, suppose you can take outside border, the border will be added to selected cells. So first select the cell, click the design button and click on the drop down arrow to select the desired border type. Now let us start. Open the same file. Open. Now it is done. It is open. Now click on you can select any cell. Click on the design. Suppose selecting any cell here. The Sumit Goyal one. Cell is selected. Now click on the design table. Has come. We have different designs here. Click on this border. See, right side below the shading there is a border. Click on the down arrow. Clicked. Now we have all these options: bottom border, top border, left border, right border. Suppose I am clicking on the no border. Then now see, border is gone. The border line is gone. Can you see here? Border line is gone because no border I selected. So now again select it. After selecting, go to design. Click on the border. And now click on the outside border. Outside border click. Now see, it has come back. Alright. So you can take different types of border. You can change different types of border. So it is very simple. You select that cell which you want. Click on the design. Click on the border. We have many options. Whichever you want, you can select that one. Right border, no border, all border, outside border, inside border, whichever you want, you can select, and this border line will be created. So in today's class, we have learned how to change the column width and what are the shortcut tips to change the row height, to change the column width, and how to add borders in a table. So practice and learn all these steps. Thank you.